about our up-and-coming contest called Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. We need a logo for 100 Mondays. Our logo has always been intended to be a temporary logo, and as much as we love it,
graphic artists, enter the contest. Send your submission to artmamamoves@gmail.com.
Get a free chicken dinner, and if you're a vegan, we'll get you a free vegan chicken dinner. So come up with a logo for 100 Mondays. It can say 100 Mondays.
It's time for another 100 Mondays.
I used the bottom piece before I painted it last night in this photograph with the girl a few years ago. If you can see, this one used to be blue, and it's a mixed media piece with messages. And now it's a sunnier version of itself. We'll see what happens.
Buy art on artmamamoves.com.
Barbie, remember, she was like, my cheeks hurt.
Okay. I was just taking a little video.
You